Creating a unique list is pretty easy to do in Python. There are just a few simple tricks to know, which I will demonstrate to you now. Here you can see a list of repeating numbers 1, 2, 3, and the letter A. In order to make only the unique values of this list display, I can turn this into a set with the set function. A set is an object in Python that contains only unique values. And here we can see that I am returned with only the numbers 1, 2, 3, and a single letter A as a set, which is denoted by those curly brackets. I can now just as easily convert this set back into a list with the built-in list function. It is as simple as this. And now you can see that we have turned our set object into a list object because the contents of the object are now being displayed between those square brackets. Now, you don't have to do this step by step in the way that I have just outlined. If you would like to perform all of these in one line of code, it's simple to do. Just nest the functions accordingly. So it's quite easy to do. You just pass your list as an argument to the set function and pass that return as an argument to the list function. This converts your initial list into a distinct list of the initial contents. Thank you, as always, for watching. I have a number of videos lined up going through Python fundamentals, as well as some more on how to use the Python library OpenPixel, which demonstrates how to easily use Excel with Python. Please do hit subscribe so that you can catch when these next videos drop. Leave me a comment letting me know if this was a useful video, and hit that thumbs up button. It's very helpful for getting these tutorial videos out there to more viewers.